Understanding the phrase, reconnect, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the world of English phrases and explore the meaning and usage of the word, reconnect. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding the nuances of this phrase can really help improve your English communication skills. So, let's get started. The word, reconnect, is a verb, and it's made up of two parts, re and connect. The prefix, re, means again, or back, and the word, connect, means to join together or establish a relationship between two or more things. So, when we put them together, reconnect means to establish a connection again or renew a relationship that has been lost or interrupted. 2.1 Personal relationships. In personal relationships, reconnect is often used when old friends or family members who haven't seen or talked to each other for a long time decide to meet up or talk again. For example, after 10 years of not speaking, Sarah and her brother decided it was time to reconnect. 2.2 Technology and devices. In the context of technology, reconnect is used when establishing a connection again between devices or to the internet. For instance, if your internet isn't working, try unplugging the router and plugging it back in to reconnect. 2.3 Professional context. In a professional setting, reconnect might refer to renewing contact with former colleagues, clients, or networking contacts. For example, I'm attending the alumni event next week to reconnect with some of my old classmates and professors. Now that we understand the different contexts in which reconnect can be used, let's look at some sentence examples to solidify our understanding. After many years, they were able to reconnect and share stories about their lives. When my computer lost internet connection, I had to reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. It was a wonderful reunion as the old friends reconnected over a cup of coffee. And that's it for today's video on the word reconnect. We hope this has helped clarify its meaning and shown you how to use it in different contexts. Remember, understanding the nuances of English phrases can really enhance your communication skills and make you a more proficient English speaker. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.